So guys, there is a ABS malfunction guys. Look guys, this ABS sensor is there is dirty in the tip of the sensor, so there is a showing gearbox malfunction. Just only clean and okay, because I measure the resistance of the ABS sensor 1200 something, so it's okay. This is only the problem guys. There is dust in the tip of the sensor. This is the line. This is the line of the ABS sensor. I measure this one guys. The resistance guy here is 1200 something. So it's okay guys. The resistance is okay here. Only this guys. This is the brake drum. It's okay. Just only clean and then return back and then I check again. I think it's good.